Okay, as for 12.3, I would explain about neurons and synapse. Both of them are the components that make up human nervous system. Neuron is also known as nerve cell. Okay, you have learned during your Form 2 that a group of cells work together and form a tissue. Okay, different tissue work together to form an organ, and different organ work together to form system, and different system works together to form an organism. Okay, so we are here studying about nervous system. So nervous system as well is made up of simplest unit or basic unit, which is cell to be specific. Nervous system is made up of nerve, cell, or neurons. Okay, for 12.3, we are going to study about the structure of neuron and three types of neuron. So let's look at the neuron structure. Okay, the basic structure of a neuron consists of cell body, axon, dendrite, myelin sheath, a node of Ranvier, and synaptic node. Okay, let's start off with the cell body. Okay, the first component that make up the structure of the neuron. Okay, this is the cell body. The one that I am drawing right now is the cell body. Okay, cell body consists of a nucleus. This is the nucleus, and has many cytoplasmic projections called dendrites. Okay, the structure that is branches or project out of the cell body is called dendrite. This is the second structure we are going to go through after this. Okay, the cell body integrates signals and coordinates metabolic activities. This is the function of the cell body. Okay, now let's look at the dendrite. Dendrite are short branches of the cell body. As I mentioned earlier, dendrite is a structure which branches out from the cell body. Dendrite merupakan satu struktur yang bercabang keluar daripada sel body. So dia ni asalnya daripada sel body. Okay, yang ranting-ranting ni dia lah sel body. Okay, the function of dendrite is to receive nerve impulse from other neurons or the external environment and send them to the cell body. So keyword for dendrite is receive. Okay, dendrite for any neuron. The function of dendrite for any neuron is to receive nerve impulse. Okay, meaning that the first structure that receive impulse is the dendrite. So struktur yang awal-awal ataupun yang first kali yang akan terima impulse adalah dendrite. So dendrite yang pertama terima impulse, kemudian dendrite send impulse to the cell body. So kalau saya minta lukis arah pergerakan impulse, dia akan jadi macam ni lah. Daripada dendrite ni dia akan ke cell body. Macam ni. Alright. Okay. Next, the third structure that is connected to the cell body is the axon. Okay. Axon is an elongated branch of the cell body. Okay, axon and dendrite is almost similar actually. Okay. Anak kecil lah pula. Sorry. Okay, dendrite and axon is almost similar. Okay, similar in terms of dendrite and axon, both of them are branches out from the cell body. Dendrite dengan axon dua-duanya bercabang keluar daripada cell body. Asal usulnya daripada cell body. The difference is that the dendrite are short branches while the axon is an elongated branches. So dendrite ni cabang pendek, axon ni cabang panjang. So where is axon from this at this diagram? So this is the axon. Okay, axon. Okay, this is the axon. Okay, axon carries impulse out of the cell body to other neurons or effectors. Jadi pergerakan impulse tadi daripada dendrite ke cell body. Okay, dendrite ke cell body, daripada cell body ke axon. Sebab tu direction of impulse dia lukis macam ni. Okay. Okay, this is the third structure. The fourth one that is close to the axon is myelin sheath. Okay, yang keempat ialah myelin sheath. Selaput myelin. It is an insulating membrane. Okay, selaput myelin ni dia adalah selaput penebat. Okay, that coats the axon, yang menyelaputi axon. So sepanjang-panjang axon ni dia diselaputi ataupun dibaluti oleh selaput myelin. Okay, the functions of myelin sheath are, the first one is to protect neurons from injury. Second one, act as insulator for electrical impulse, meaning that myelin sheath does not allow the electrical impulse to pass through the axon. Okay, bila myelin sheath ni bertindak sebagai penebat, dia tak membenarkan electrical impulse tu melalui axon. Nanti kita akan tengok macam mana impulse tu lalu sepanjang neuron ni. Okay, the third function of myelin sheath is to provide nutrients to the axon. Okay, done with fourth structure. Let's move to the fifth structure, which is node of Ranvier. Okay, yang berdekatan dengan axon selain daripada myelin sheath, kita ada nodes of Ranvier. So kalau tengok dia punya arrow ni, nodes of Ranvier ni dekat sini. Okay, saya nak guna slide yang lain lah untuk yang ni. Ni sama saja. Ni. Okay, nodes of Ranvier. Okay, ini adalah axon. Okay. Yang warna kuning tu adalah axon. Sorry. Okay, yang warna biru ni adalah myelin sheath. Okay, ni adalah myelin sheath. Okay, let's look at the explanation about nodes of Ranvier. Certain neurons have parts that are not insulated by myelin sheath at regular gaps along the axon. Maksud dia, sepanjang axon ni, axon kan dibaluti ataupun diselaputi oleh selaput myelin, tapi ada setengah part ataupun setengah bahagian tu tidak diselaputi oleh selaput myelin. And this gap is known as node of Ranvier. So node of Ranvier ni merujuk kepada yang ini, bahagian axon yang tak diselaputi oleh myelin sheath. Okey, apa fungsi nodes of Ranvier ni? The node of Ranvier helps to accelerate the flow of nerve impulse. Fungsi nodes of Ranvier ni untuk mempercepatkan, mempercepatkan pengaliran nerve impulse tu. Macam mana dia mempercepatkan? By allowing the nerve impulse to jump from one node to the following node. Kalau tengok arrow ni, ini adalah arrow of the flow of impulse. The impulse jump from one node to another node. Dia melompat. Dia tak boleh nak lalu kat sini sebab bahagian axon dekat sini dah diselaputi oleh selaput myelin yang bersifat penebat. So dia kena lompat lah. Bila melompat, pergerakan tu akan lebih cepat. Okay. Okay, this one done. Okay, the last one, the sixth one. Okay, structure yang keenam ialah synaptic knob. Knob tu maksudnya bunjulan. Okay, kalau tengok explanation dia pun, the synaptic knob is a swelling at the end of the axon branch. So kita ada cell body, kita ada dendrite, kita ada axon. So dekat mana synaptic knob? End of the axon, di hujung axon. Maksudnya di sinilah, di hujung ranting ni kat sini. Dia akan knob, dia akan swell dekat hujung tu. So when we zoom out, this is the structure of the synaptic knob. Yang ni pun kita akan baca details in next subtopic. Cuma yang perlu tahu ialah synaptic knob ni menerima impulse daripada axon. Dalam synaptic knob ada synaptic knob ni dia ada vesicle yang ini. Okay, dalam vesicle dia ada neurotransmitter yang bulat-bulat ni. So yang ini pun neurotransmitter. And then kita ada synaptic gap. Gap ni kan ruang antara dua benda. So gap ni antara satu neuron dan neuron yang kedua. Okay, neuron impulse kan sampai dekat knob kat hujung ni. Impulse bergerak daripada dendrite sampailah ke axon terminal. Maksudnya sampai sinilah. Okay, bila daripada sini impulse tu nak dihantar ke next impulse. Impulse tu nak dihantar ke next neuron. The next neuron tu akan ada receptor. Okay, dia akan ada receptor ni. Okay, done with, the synaptic knob send signal to muscle cell, gland cell or other neurons, dendrites. Okay, done with the structure of the neurons. Next, we are going to discuss the three types of the neurons.